how to turn on or turn off show contextual options in the assistant menu for the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and then swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, tap on assistant menu, and then tap on select apps to show contextual menus with. In here, tap on the phone toggle button to turn this show contextual options on or off. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on, if you open up the phone app and then you open up the assistant menu, there are now contextual menu items becomes available. So here you can tap on recent contacts and add to contact. Now if I close the app and if I open up my assistant menu, those items will be removed. So those items are only specific to the phone app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.